How important is the fire protection system in a manufacturing factory? Ensure safety during production and operation, significantly save investment, installation time, and costs, reduce insurance and maintenance costs for businesses. Ready-built factories available for lease. Long Hau Industrial Park. Install automatic fire protection system, update to latest factory fire safety standards. On-site fire safety equipment, an automatic fire alarm system, the smoke extraction fan system, fireproof door system, automatic sprinkler system, arrangement of fire truck routes and parking lots. The factory design meets the fire safety regulations for industrial production class C and storage. Call the hotline now, +84 906 938 599 for consultation. Ready-built factories for lease. Long Hau Industrial Park.